Dogs must know, because I've been trying to get her to come out and she will have no part of it. Normally we're out there by 7:30. She's like whining, saying, no, I will fly away. Have you seen my ears? Right now I've got I look like a snowman. I've got a scarf. I'll show you. Look at this. I've got a beanie. I've got my hoodie. I've got this warm scarf. I've got a warm shirt underneath, and I've got my warmest pants on. Poor Roxy. Look at her. She's just like, no, I'm not coming. I'm not going. Seriously, like, Roxy, you're gonna explode. Thankfully, I took her out last night and she did do her business. So she's not up to the rim. Her eyes are still brown, just like mine. So we may still be full of it, but she's hanging in there. Okay, come on, Roxy. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna have to probably grab her. We could do this the easy way, or we could do it the hard way. Look at her. She's like, no way. No way, Jose. Come on, Roxy. Come on, baby. Oh, come on, Roxy. These dogs, they are... what's the word? I don't want to use the word stubborn, but that's the word. They're very persistent. How's that? That's a better, more positive word. Roxy, come on, you've got a fur coat. Come on, baby girl. Come on. And she's gonna want to eat, so man, this lighting. Ever since I've been on this carnivore diet, I'm noticing that my face is getting thinner, but with that comes the lines getting really like deep, you know? Like I already had wrinkles. Like, and then with the dryness too, it's like the wind and the dryness, everything. It's like the lines. I'm like a little old lady. I just wanted to walk my little dog. That's all I need to do. And then we'll have some porridge. Yeah. Mama's gonna need some work done soon. Take 10 years off to match what I feel like inside. Oh, 57. Oh, no, I'm 56, but I'll be 57 this year. I always forget how old I am. It's never even brought up, you know? Like, I never think about it. Good girl. Yay. I was outside with Roxy, and it was just really calm. And then, you know, I saw, like, little things falling, and I thought, oh, it's snowing. You know, the sun's out, but it's snowing. And you can actually see the snow falling right now. I'm still kind of like, it was still as still can be, right? And all of a sudden I hear what sounds like a car, but it's coming from the field. It's coming from that end, and it's coming towards us. And I'm thinking, there's no way. And I look over there, and it's a freaking little, I mean, tornado? I don't know. Dirt devil? It had picked up, what do you call them, tumbleweeds and everything, and dirt. And it was forceful. I mean, it was loud and forceful, and it was coming straight at us. And I thought, oh, crap. And I grabbed her. She winced. She's like, oh. And I threw her inside and shut the door just in time, because it was like I almost couldn't shut the door. Oh my gosh. this crazy wind. And what was wild was that it was so still right before that. Like there was no wind, not even a breeze. And I thought, oh, this is the perfect time to walk Roxy. I guess that's why they call it the calm before the storm, right? Oh, here it comes. And she just was not, like she did not want to go out there at all. She knew. Does that sun feel good? Didn't have any mice trying to get in last night. Look at, we got company. There's 3 of them. Roxy's making noise. How cute. Can they hear us? Oh, there's 4 of them. There's another one over here. Is that called a herd? That's so cool. He's got horns. What are they? How cute. They're like, run away. Hey. I've been there. There they go. This one's like a little slow. Cute. Bye-bye.